Did you know this? Most passive income success stories, they involve intense initial work, more work than a 9 to 5, sometimes for years, not exactly poolside chilling, yet the dream sells. It sells incredibly well. The vision is so tempting. Laptops on pristine beaches, money flowing into your account while you sleep soundly or explore a new city. Freedom from the alarm clock, freedom from the cubicle farm. This is the ultimate lure. Why do we chase it? This dream of effortless earnings. We crave autonomy, control over our precious time. The traditional job feels restrictive. Passive income whispers escape. It promises a life designed by you for you. But let's pause here. Is this picture truly accurate, or is it a polished illusion? A clever marketing angle? The path to real freedom? It often looks very different. Let's pull back the curtain, discover the unvarnished truth. The biggest myth, number one by a mile, that passive income is effortless. Just set it up once, then forget about it. Watch the cash roll in. This is pure, distilled fantasy, like finding a unicorn. Myth number two is next. It's a guaranteed road to riches, especially for absolutely anyone. Gurus love to promise this. Follow my simple blueprint. But success rates are low, very low in many cases. It is not a magic lottery ticket. Then comes myth three. You need zero skills, no significant capital needed. Just grab your laptop. Some low barrier options exist. That part can be true, but real value needs skill, or it needs investment. The core misunderstanding, it's often sold as no work, a complete replacement for effort. This is fundamentally wrong. It's not about work, it's about work. Smarter, leveraged work, an evolution, not an escape. Here's the real secret, the part they don't advertise. Passive income demands front-loaded effort, often massive, concentrated work. Think of building a factory long before it produces anything. This is the unglamorous foundation, the sweat equity required. What does this work look like? Writing a book takes months, maybe even a full year. Coding a useful software app, that can take even longer. Building a strong rental portfolio, that is a multi-year game. These are serious commitments. And even when it's built, your income engine needs fuel. It needs regular maintenance. Content requires updating. Software needs security patches. Markets will always shift. Customers will have questions. Passive never means abandoned. So where is the magic? The passive part is leverage. Your intense initial effort, it gets leveraged over time. Your book sells copies daily. Your online course enrolls students. Your system works for you. That is the genuine power. Many paths can lead there to this leveraged income stream. Digital products are popular. Think ebooks, online courses, affiliate marketing is another. Dividend-paying stocks work too. Real estate rentals are classic. Each has its own challenges. How do you choose your path? Look at your unique skills. Consider your available capital. What is your risk tolerance? What are you passionate about? Don't just chase the money. What fits ideal life design? This alignment is critical. Here's the twist. The real goal, it isn't just about the money, not really when you dig deep. It's about buying back your time. It's about reclaiming freedom. It's about having more choices. What will you do with that? That is the ultimate question. So I challenge you today, don't chase passive income just to become idle or lazy. Chase it to live deliberately, to pursue deep passions, to build meaningful relationships, to truly experience the world. Income is a tool. Design your life.